Good evening, my dear friends. Myself, Dr. Joseph Casey from Nityadara Mata Clinic, Balehannuru. So today, I am going to speak regarding sexual counseling. So, what is the importance of counseling for the married couples, especially for solving the marital conflicts, erectile dysfunction? So, and how the counseling works? Actually, do you know that the sex starts in the manas rather than in sexual organs? So I will give few illustrations where you will be able to understand sex lies in the manas rather than in the sex organs. So moreover, see, a patient had come with me telling that, sir, we have married only for 2 months. We had very sexual relationship, but now it's not at all possible, sir. No erection is possible now. So what is really happening to me, sir? Since 1 month I have tried and tried, not possible. So they have been in a very depression state. So now I asked what actually happening in your mind. What made your love decrease to so much? What are the reasons where you are not understanding your partner? So what are the things? Actually, it started something like this. So there was a clash between an husband and wife, by which he started a aversion towards her, which made him to started rejecting, start loving. Okay, so he started in a hatredness towards her, which created a havoc, creating erectile dysfunction. So now we have to tell me what is the cause of erectile dysfunction. It's not because of the nervous system block, not due to the any venous drainage system block, nothing. It's simple, the quality of manas. Whenever we tell this is nothing, mind stops acting. Because you should know, sex is something psychosomatic, where the involvement of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems are very much essential. So in a way, you have to understand one more case I will be telling. So where you will be able to understand the importance. So one couples came, around about 65 years old lady came. Sir, he frequently asked, he's around about 70 years regarding the sex. So what to do, sir? Actually, I have got disc problem and I got chest pain, everything. But whenever he comes, I feel just to kick him off. So he keeps on blaming me, and sir, it's really hurting me, sir. So then I have asked her what is actually happened. So she got a abusive language that from the husband, that you are having some extramarital affair at the age of 65 years. Whenever she started avoiding him because of her health issues, so this made her to think one more, like, why should I spare him? Like all such things, when she encountered with less of love, that created further painful intercourse, or painful after, like, she'll be having very heavy burning sensation, all those things. So now we have to understand what is the cause of that, rather than you take some oil or gel and apply over it, that problem will be solved. See, if you tell like that, see, this you are treating only local, that is, we are treating very in a very prelim stage. We have to understand, mind is the supreme power. So treat the manas, so you will be treating and ruling out the problems of the sexual problems. So most, and you have to understand one of the important thing, there is no medicine to increase the mood for females or males. Even though some tell that, sir, Viagra we can use, right? No, that is also a simple, it will act just like a placebo effect, not much more over that. Even those who use it, they tell that, sir, we do not have that much climax or something. It will be some, penis will be something like a rock hard, something like that. Say, if continuous usage will cause certainly a side effect, that's 100%. Definitely, if at all, if you counsel the patient for the sexual problems, and you should not assign it as a sexual problem, because each and every personality it's a basic need where each and every person crave to do that. It's a prakriti of a person. So if at all he is something like brahmachari, what is the definition of brahmachari? Do you know? Karmana vacha manasa sarvastasu sarvada sarvatra maithunam tyagam brahmacharyam prachakshate. That is, in a way, by seeing, by thoughts, by words, by in any way, he should not remember, or he should not think relating to anything related to the maithuna, that is relating to the union of male or female. So if it is done, then he is not a brahmachari. Simply telling that I have not married and I am brahmachari, no, that will not solve the purpose at all. So now you have to understand. So it, as it is a basic need, so most of the patient will not tell you I am having these problems. So most of the family counseling patient comes to me, rather than their family problem, her mother-in-law is something, that is and everything. Moreover, they are having this sexual problem, understanding problem. So now how to solve this? So it's a big thing where patient don't expose to you. Definitely I agree it, but how to counsel them, how to extract the things, how to solve the problem. So these are the more efficient things where you are helping a patient to think in a clarity form, where they are having a block in the mind, they are not able to think in that direction. You have to say that because of this problem, see, your husband is not cooperating with you. Do you know why? Because of all these things. And what actually the wife needs, moreover, the comfort of love, affection, caring, all these things female aspire for more. But what happens to male? Male is something related to, moreover, they require the touchings, caring, kiss, hug, all these things related to the males. So both the personalities of different varieties. Now you have to club both the things, and you have to understand the our partner. Then only the life becomes beautiful. So here we are starting a course called sexual counseling course for only the doctors, so there is a way, a new pathway to the patient, those who suffer from the sexual disorders. Not only that, each and every one suffer from the problem in one or the other part of the time, unless until you have a good bonding, good mutual respect, good love towards each other. So now, how to build this relationship more perfectly, that is a key of counseling. So those who would like to join, contact me so that we can start a new venture. You will be able to understand the nature, the psychological, the counseling, and the treatment part. Everything will be explained with very minimal cost. My intention is not to make money, but still to educate you. But giving free of anything does not value anything at all. So definitely, I hope you understood by this video. So please contact, and it's only for doctors I am telling you, so that you can improve your practicing skill, understand the patient's manas much better. Thank you one and all. Have a good day. Bye.